Hello, Zhuheng Technology. I'm Qin Hao. We covered both types. Now the real question. Which one fits your site? 4 factors. Structure type, wall flatness, site conditions, crew skill level. Gluon is forgiving on walls. Works for most building types. No prior airtightness experience needed. Workers pick it up fast. Self-Adhesive has clear strengths, clean finish, fast install, works in cold weather. Here are recommendations by scenario. Aluminum foam concrete or precast panels. Walls are smooth and dense. Either type works. Timber foam concrete or ALC panels. Surface tends to be rough. May have honeycombing. Glue-on is the safer call. Or pre-plaster with anti-crack mortar first. Let it dry dense and flat. Then self-adhesive works well. Window sill areas with heavy pitting. Same approach. Pretend first, then self-adhesive. One more thing. Both types must meet your project standards. National specs. Local codes. What exactly do local codes require? Next video breaks that down. Follow Zhuheng. More coming.